SpinalCom. Make any building smart. Data is everywhere in the built environment, and it's remarkably valuable, especially in a post-pandemic world. Data informs you about where the available parking slots with electric charging stations are, which meeting rooms are under maintenance, how your equipment and your space are being used, and lets you know about any social distancing struggles, etc. A simple commercial building can generate up to 1 terabyte of data per day. And your apps and systems speak hundreds of different languages. It is not an easy task for data scientists or software developers to leverage that unstructured and heterogeneous data. Did you know that 78% of the digital transformation projects fail because of low data quality? Good news, there is a solution. SpinalCom, our building operating system powered by a dynamic digital twin engine, can translate all the data from your systems into a common language, enabling you to gain awareness on your operations, gain new flexibility with your spaces, gain confidence in your decision-making, and revolutionize your user experience. We believe that data-driven organizations are the future leaders, and we make it happen. So, what are some of the things our clients can do with our software solutions? A tenant company with a 10,000 square meter building with half their teams at home needs a 360-degree view of all spaces and a comprehension of their use to determine which are necessary for their activity and which can be let to other companies in order to reduce their rental costs. A landlord with a 1 million square meter property can adapt his business model to the market demand through a smart pay-per-use application, for example, which is able to deal with all the administrative issues. A warehouse property with millions of square meters needs to anticipate any impacting equipment accidents, such as a dock leveler breakdown, through a smart preventative maintenance plan based on different variables. What's more, all of this is possible while being completely secure. Cybersecurity is our priority. Our software has been designed to secure data and commands access from its very foundation. Together, let's build a smarter, safer, and more unique environment. You want to lead the digital building revolution? Contact us to discuss your project.